welcome back to our channel. So today is Good Friday and we are going to be vlogging our Easter weekend. We're gonna go to our grandparents' house, but something that Maddie and I do every year is we make Easter baskets for each other and we open them on camera, so that's what we're gonna do. If my voice sounds a little bit like raspy, I actually lost it on Tuesday, so I'm still working on like getting it back. So this is the basket. The first thing that she got me is this peppermint gum. I can always use gum, and this is my favorite type. Ooh, okay, this is cool.
This is a Canada
I've never seen this EOS before. It is Canadian maple EOS, and I love maple syrup. Like, maple is one of my favorite scents. Oh, that smells so good.
Oh, it smells like Canada.
I love this. Oh my gosh. Half a pound. So we have a Reese's half a pound cup.
Well, like
I'm
Reese's?
addicted to peanut butter and chocolate, like Reese's cups.
Like the
so
Reese's
good.
cups are like.
And then we also have 2 different packages
so there are
of
6
Reese's
in like together.
She got me bark thins. One time she came home with bark thins and I was like, can I please have some? These are literally my favorite things. We also have some Peeps, which I'll probably end up giving to you.
She doesn't really like Peeps, but
Yeah.
I just kind of made it a tradition to get her Peeps.
So there you go. We have this Waikiki Beach Coconut Hand Cream from Bath & Body Works. And did I pick this out in the store?
Yeah, there was a sale at Bath & Body Works. I asked her which one she recommended me getting, just so she could get the one that she thought smelled the best.
We have a gigantic Lindt dark chocolate bar. I am so addicted with dark chocolate. I eat so much. It's such a problem, but I love it.
I feel like you're really gonna like this.
This is really cute. It's a notebook that says Girl Power.
Every page has a different quote.
Oh, that's so cute. Yay. Okay, thank you.
There we go. Okay, let's open this up. This is a sunflower growing kit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of cute. Except she got me like this bunny thing, and you can get them at like the dollar store. And they have all these little mini egg things in them, and she spread them out through the basket. I love these things.
Yeah, she asked for that. Like, she was like, if you give me 1 piece of chocolate, get me that giant bunny. So I did.
Yeah. Bath confetti. It's like little confetti that you put in your bath. Oh, it's like.
You've never seen bath confetti though, have you?
No.
Because I've never seen it before.
I didn't know there was like. What is this? Carrot knocking.
It's
wooden
like Easter
tower
Jenga.
game. It like has little die on the top, and oh, that's kind of cute.
You don't.
Oh my gosh! Wait, I actually asked my mom if she could get me more of these like a few days ago because I'm almost out. I like to have them in my binder.
Yeah, a couple days ago she was like, I need more pure mints, and I was like, yes, because I got them before.
Oh, so the Be Enchanted body lotion and Be Enchanted shower gel.
I got you the Be Enchanted because it reminded me of Disney. I don't know.
It smells enchanted. And then we have Be You. Oh, it's just a little notebook. That's so cute. I always want more notebooks. So this is a face mask, and it looks like a little koala bear. I really, really, really like face masks, like a lot. Is this the little Debbie thing? Yes!
I knew
Wait,
you would want those.
wait, I love these things. These things are like so good. My grandmother always has them, and she usually gives them to us, and they're like super good.
So now I'm actually gonna do a bunch of baking.
I might help, but I don't know.
She'll probably just eat it. So let's go.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night.
So we just made our fruit pie, and this is something that my aunt taught me a couple of years ago. So it's just like a graham cracker crust and then Cool Whip and yogurt and fruit on top. It tastes really good, and it's a little bit healthier than like normal cake. So Maddie and I did a really good job decorating it. I think it looks really good, not gonna lie. And then we also made some cookies that we're gonna decorate when we get home from our Nana's house. Happy Easter.
Hello, hello, hello.
We have this game where we like put a ring toss on somebody's head, and Maddie's gonna try to throw them at me. Hey, you got one. This is gonna be so bad. Oh, does that count for me?
No.
Yeah, you got a blue one.
No,
Oh, that was way
Oh,
fast.
you moved. I would have had it.
So these are all the desserts. We have the fruit pie Maddie and I made, and then my Nana has lemon meringue and this ice cream cake, and Maddie made the cookies. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
9 to 5 with all of the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow. And that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground.
We're playing Find the Bunny. I think I'm gonna put it like her. Go find the bunny.
Now I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like.
Oh, you got it!
I almost
Woohoo!
I almost saw down. Did you see the bunny? Did you see the bunny?
I don't think it's in this room.
Where's
In the
mine?
closet.
Does it matter or just
I found it in the closet.
Oh, is that in the
There you
closet? Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
This is yours.
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely lost.
Look at all the ones I got.
How many did you get?
6. I got
1,
6 of
2,
them.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
I got
11,
6.
12, 12. Maddie won. Oh, they're all so close. Wait, does it count if it's a no? What is it?
A lamp.
Yeah.
Doesn't get the green.
Help color it. Oh, do you want the green?
Yeah.
Here.
We need the green for the rainbow.
Oh, this is just a bunch of fun activities.
Yeah, the sun activities.
So we're back from our grandparents' house now. The cookies that we were gonna decorate, we're gonna do on Easter. This weather right now is making me so mad. I just want like a sunny Easter, and it's literally like cloudy, and it's probably gonna rain. There's literally frost on our windows. We still have our snowflakes up. Like, this is not spring, this is winter. But you know, that's weather in Canada. We have winter like 6 months of 12 a year. That's gonna be the end of today's portion. And I will see you guys on Sunday with some more Easter activities.
I walk away. I won't get too far. I try to stay. Oh, from where you are. Such a girl gonna break your heart.
Why we love baking? We always do this thing where it's like I split it and Maddie gets to pick, so I split it like as evenly as I can.
Maddie made them.